Animal habitats.
Animals live in very different habitats. Some habitats are very hot and others are very cold. Some have lots of plants and lots of water, and others have very few plants and very little water. A rainforest. A desert. A polar region. A forest. Most land animals and plants on our planet live in rainforests. It is hot and rainy. There are lots of different plants, like tall trees and lianas. Many plants have bright flowers. Jaguars, tapirs, alligators, anacondas, macaws, toucans, monkeys, frogs, and many different butterflies live in rainforests. Few animals and plants live in deserts because there is very little water and it is very hot during the day and very cold at night. Some deserts are sandy and others are rocky. There are very few plants. It does not rain often. Scorpions, lizards, spiders, iguanas, birds, vipers, rats, camels, and desert foxes live in deserts. Many desert animals hide during the day and are active at night.
The animals that live at the North and South Poles are adapted to very cold temperatures and to the ice and snow.
North Pole. South Pole. Some animals, like the polar bear, the Arctic fox, the seal, the walrus and the penguin, have a thick layer of fat to protect them from the cold. Some animals are very big, so they can conserve heat more easily. Some birds, like the Arctic swallow, fly to a warmer habitat during the winter. Lots of animals and plants live in forests. Forests can be in cold and rainy regions, or in warm and dry regions. There are lots of trees and bushes. They provide protection and food for lots of animals. Animals like deer, bears, foxes, rabbits, mice, lynxes, owls and squirrels live in forests.